Hello, Ethan.
Good afternoon, Adam.
We welcome you to Wahawk Talk this Monday, May 7th.
Congratulations to the West High Culinary Team. They placed 33rd out of 54 at the national event. There are 1,700 ProStart Culinary Schools in the nation, so placing 33rd is a great accomplishment. Congratulations, team.
Friday, May 11 at 12:30 is a Seniors Honors Assembly. All seniors and juniors will attend. Seniors will be dismissed to the auditorium right after 5th hour to find their seats in the middle sections toward the front. Juniors will be dismissed at 12:25 to the auditorium and will sit behind the seniors in the middle sections.
Summer school applications are available. Pick up and return to counseling services before May 31st.
Come see Once on This Island, the musical, in the auditorium at 7 p.m. Friday, May 18th, 2 p.m. or 7 p.m. Saturday, May 19th. Purchase tickets in the business office or at the door.
Attention all 2018-19 Link Crew applicants. The date for the announcement of next year's Link Crew leaders have been changed to May 11th. On the 11th, envelopes can be picked up in Mr. Cassidy's room after school. The first training date for next year's Link Crew will be Friday, May 18th in the afternoon.
The boys track and field banquet will be Thursday, May 24th at 5:45 p.m. in the Commons. Bring a side dish or dessert to share and your own tableware. This will be the last day to turn in uniforms without being charged.
Seniors, your name must be on the official graduation list by May 11th in order to have your name printed in the Courier's graduation edition. May 11th is also the last day to pay fines and fees by check.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.
Have a great day. Be West.